Macroeconomics is about understanding how an entire economy works. It looks at the big picture of a whole country's economy, rather than individual or small group decisions. It focuses on things like the country's total production, unemployment rate, inflation, rising prices, and economic growth. For example, imagine that prices are constantly rising across the entire country, and people are able to buy less. This is called inflation. Macroeconomics looks at why these price increases happen and how they affect the country's overall economy. Also, if a country has high unemployment, meaning many people can't find jobs, this is a macroeconomic issue. As the economy grows, the unemployment rate usually goes down. Macroeconomics tries to understand and solve these big economic problems. So, while microeconomics deals with small decisions, macroeconomics deals with the overall economic situation of a country and larger decisions. Macroeconomics is important for understanding big picture things like a country's wealth, growth, or economic crises.